Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to reset Blink Floodlight Camera, Power Cycle and Sync Module Reset tutorial. Method 1. Power cycle the Blink Floodlight Camera. Step 1. Turn off the camera's power. Step 2. Now wait for 30 seconds. Step 3. Then turn the power back on. Step 4. Now wait for the camera to restart. Step 5. Open the Blink app and check the camera. Method 2. Reset the Blink Floodlight Camera. Step 1. Find the reset button above the camera. Step 2. Press and hold the button. Step 3. Release it when the camera enters setup mode. Step 4. Open the Blink app. Step 5. Now add the camera again and connect it to Wi-Fi. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.